Hi everyone, this is Smriti. Welcome to QA automation classes. So today we're going to continue with the programs for the Java 8 and the streams. We'll be using the Lambda concepts over there, as well as we'll be using the methods of the stream. And with that, we'll see different types of the programs. And before starting that, I just want to tell you about one of the new operator that was got introduced in Java 8, that is nothing but the double semicolon operator, right? So this double semicolon operator is used to refer to a method of an existing class. So let's say I have a class, say, okay, let's say class A, and inside the class A, suppose I have a method, let's say public, and it doesn't return anything. I'll say public void and then m1. Let's say the method is public void m1, and it does something. Okay, we have some code, lines of the code inside it, and then let's say public static void main. Okay, and here we have the string array of arguments. Okay, so string array of arguments, and here what we are going to do, we are going to create the object of the class a1 equals to new a. This is how we create the object of a class. And how we call the method of the class, we use object reference dot method name dot m1. This is how we call the method. So this is the dot operator. With the help of the dot operator, with the object reference, we can call the method. If it is a static method, then we can say a dot m1, the name of the class and the method name. So instead of doing that, there is a new operator called the double colon operator that got introduced. And with the help of that double colon operator also, we can do the same thing. We can call the static or the non-static methods of the particular existing class. So suppose in the same example, if I have to use the double colon operator, I can say a1, the object reference a1, okay, double colon I can give here, and I can say m1. Okay, so similarly for the if it is a I can say static. Okay, if it is a static method, I can say class name, and I can use the double colon, and I can say m1. Okay, so this is use of the double colon operator. With the use of the double colon operator, we can call the methods of the existing class, either static method. If it is a static method, we have to call it with the class name. If it is a non-static method, we have to call it with the object reference. Okay, hope it is clear. Okay, so now we'll go and start with the different programs. So for the first program for the day will be we have to find out list of the even numbers or odd numbers using the string. Okay, so just see. Okay, so this is what we are practicing last time. I'll do one thing here only. I'll say new class, find even numbers. Okay, so let's say main. Okay, so we have to declare a list of integer. Okay, so let's say list integer. I'm calling it as list integer equals to, let's go with the arrays dot as list, and I can give some integer values over 2, 5, 7, 9, 12, 34, 65, 86, 89, 98, 78. So let's say, okay, I need to import list all data. So if you see, I have created a list of integers, and it has a few integers. So now what I need to do, I need to find out of this list of the integers, I need to find out which are the even numbers. So in order to do that, we can use the concept of the streams, and we can apply the lambda to check it. So how can we do that? So let's see, list int, this is the list object. So let's go the list dot. So first we apply the stream method, and applying the stream method, now our intent is to get the all the even numbers out of that stream. Okay, so now this list integer is converted into a stream, and from the stream we have to get few things, right? We are not going to get all of them. We are going to get a subset of the data. That subset of the data can be done with the help of the filter method, not the map method. Map method will be applied on the each and every element, and it will transform to some other element. Since we are only interested in identifying a subset of the data, that is only the even numbers out of this list, so we are going to use the filter. So let's say filter. Okay, so what exactly we are going to filter? So here we have to write our lambda expression. So I'll say any number, you can, any variable you can say. So I'm saying n, that means for each number is going to lambda symbol. So we are going to verify n mod 2 double equals to 0 if each number that will be we will do a modulus operator with 2, and we'll check if the result is 0 or not. If it is 0, then that is what, that is a even number. So each number will be evaluated, and even or odd it will be decided with this logic, and then we can collect it into a another list, or we can directly print. So let's say for each, you can say, so system dot out println. Okay, so the double colon operator we're using now. Just now I told what is the use of double colon operator. So here, instead of the collecting that and storing that into another list, and going through it or iterating through it and printing each element, I'm just saying for each of the element, whatever the element is decided through this, like what is the result of this filter method, what it is going to give, if it is a even number or odd number, whatever it is going to give, and then those element will get printed onto the console. Okay, so if I run this one, we can see the output. Okay, so if you see 2, 12, right, and 34, 86, 98, and 78, so these are all list of the even numbers we got out of this list of the integer. So similarly, if you want to see the list of the odd numbers, we can do the same. So list int dot stream, first convert it into the stream. Again we are going to do the filter, because we are interested in getting a portion of the data, is not everything we are getting out of this list. So we are going to verify, or we are going to assert a condition, and based on that condition, the whatever the result is coming, it will give a subset of the original list. So here I'll say, let's say n, for each n, n mod 2. Okay, sorry. So n mod 2, here I'll say not equals to 0. Okay, if it is not equals to 0, then that means, since it is not equals to 0, that is odd number. So for each, I can say system dot out dot println. Okay, system dot out double colon println. So now let's run this one. This out, I can say list of odd numbers. List of numbers are, okay, list of odd numbers are, and here I can say list of even numbers are. So let's run it and see. Okay, so if you see the result, the list of even numbers are 2, 12, 34, 86, 98, and 78. Here I can show you the list. Okay, and here if you see 5 and 7, 9, and 65 and 89, right? So these are the list of odd numbers. Okay, so yeah, that's all to this session. If you like my video or my work, please do subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.